What up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 14 Pro Max. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the logo, you can then release. Also subscribe to the channel. I'm assuming you guys came here for a force reset, and if this video helped you out, make sure you subscribe. You can let go. And there you guys go.